Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm drawing Godzilla vs Kong, and I've been really looking forward to watching this film. I felt so inspired to work on this drawing. And I decided to use graphite, and while rendering some of the finer details, I also used my mechanical pencil, which I've always loved using for drawings like this. To blend some of the shading, I used blending sticks, and to add highlighting, I used a small eraser. Oh, and for some of the brighter highlights, in a couple of areas like Kong's eyes, I used a white GellyRoll pen. I was really excited to finally try another large graphite drawing. I enjoy focusing on a project like this, where I can go from section to section, rendering and refining the details, and I really hope you enjoy this time-lapse. This project was a tough challenge, and it ended up taking about 13 hours, but it was so fun to draw these two awesome monsters on the same page, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to let me know what you think of this, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future art videos I could try. Your suggestions are so helpful. If you're interested in seeing more art videos, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and any likes or shares on this video are hugely appreciated. If you want to follow and support my art progress, then be sure to check out the links in the description for my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Patreon. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all doing okay, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all soon.